build a really high tower. Ready?
I can build one like this tower.
Oh, okay. Let's try this. Where does that one go? Maybe that one looks quite big, so maybe it goes in the bottom. So turn it over. These go in. Just see if you can fit the other ones in. Oh. How do you make that one fit? Let's have a think.
It goes in the bucket.
No, it's a bit smaller. Well, let's try. What could we do? So why don't we try taking some out? Does that fit yet? No, it's not fitting. Let's take it out. That one fits. That one's not fitting, so let's take some more out.
No.
One. Let's try